Hello everybody, it is me Stanislav and Systemy Защиты Plus, Orsk Town. We are often asked about our steering wheel blocker Python. How effective is it? What it is made of? What material is used? And in general, whether it actually protects against theft. You ask, we answer. So we are in the very heart of the Systemy Защиты Plus company, the production floor. And we are to see how the lock Python is manufactured. We have seen the full production cycle of the blocker Python, and now let's take a look at its real habitat. We are at the parking lot of the shopping center. And as you can see, there is a great variety for criminals. A huge number of cars. And we are to test our blocker Python specifically on Opel Astra. The criminal approaches the car, and immediately his attention is drawn by the sticker Theft Protection Perhvat. It can say nothing to him. And then he pays attention to the blocker Python, which is mounted on the steering wheel. Question: why would he choose this protected car, if there are hundreds more in this parking lot?